Hey, are you still following through with your New Year's resolution? Melissa Rockburn here. Welcome back. We are hanging out in the backyard because it's snowing. It's just lovely. And I have two little ones, as you can see, and heading outside is not always easy, especially because this little guy normally naps in the morning, but he slept in today, so we're skipping it. So we're just having a bit of fun in the snow, and my New Year's resolution was to get outside every day with the kids. And to be honest, I probably did it 3 times in January because it was cold, they were sick, and it's easy to make excuses for ourselves, right? So I think I just wasn't really making it a priority. But we live in Canada, so we want them to love being outside. So I'm sticking to it. February's starting to be an amazing month. So start your day off with a win. My friend Vincent Labranche is a realtor and is an amazing coach. And he did a live video saying, start with a win in the morning and you'll feel way better. So this is our win. Actually washed my face today, got to put makeup on a little bit, and now we're outside. That, when you have 2 kids under 2 and a half, is a major win. So stick to your win. Find something that will help you feel amazing tomorrow morning and comment below. Let me know what that is. Okay, see you later. Have a great day. Au revoir tout le monde. Woohoo!
Des boules de chocolat.
Wouhou! Ok, on va manger sur la petite tablée. Tiens, mets. Allez, hein. Tu te fais mouiller, toi.